welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa and I do makeup related uploads every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please subscribe. I would love if you join. Today is an empties video. I love these, especially when I've been collecting products for the last, 2-3 months. It's been a while actually since I've done one of these, and it feels so good when I've purchased a product and I've used it completely up. There's no other feeling like it. These are really cool because I'm able to really give you an in-depth review on these products and tell you if I'd purchase them again. So if any of that intrigues you, go ahead and keep on watching. I have a lot of skincare products, a lot of shower products, because I feel like those are the things that I go through the most. With powder makeups, it takes forever to get through. Let's go ahead and start with a very stand-up product, and the butter. This is by Tan Luxe. This product I only purchased about a month, maybe a month and a half ago. This is one of the things I had on my cart during the Sephora sale that I was just so on the fence on. I've tried Jergens, gradual tanners, things like that, but none of them, I ever really purchased again and saw amazing results. Now this is so freaking good. During the summer, if you're planning on wearing shorts, tanks, things like that, or even if you're just running to the gym, you haven't had any time to do any kind of fake tanner, because let's just be honest, that does take time, and if you have kids, good luck. This has really helped me bridge the gap. I put this on my legs, my arms, anywhere, and within 30 minutes, I am looking like a bronze glowy goddess. I'm obsessed with it. I'm so obsessed with it that I bought the full big deluxe tub, and I'll have it linked down below because this was $38. Granted, I had a 20% off discount, but I found one that's triple the size. It has 16 ounces for $38 on HSN, and I'll have it linked down below in case you're wanting to try it out. You are not going to look orange, and this does have little shimmers in it, and so you're getting that iridescent just glow from within. But it's one of those things that I apply every day, and I've just been blown away by it. So if you're on the fence, you want something that's really easy, really natural looking, I would highly recommend this. Moving on to a hair product, I have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Now, I've gone through a lot of dry shampoos in my days, and my empty products from, a few months ago, I went through so many different Batiste. I could just name a few. The one that has always worked the best for me has been this Living Proof product. This is the travel size version. I have a bigger version. I believe it's like $28, so it's a little bit pricey. It does leave a white cast if you're not careful, so I just recommend applying it really underneath and then combing it out. But it's one of the only dry shampoo products I've used that really does suck up the oils, lifts my hair, gives me that volume, and can really extend the length of my, unwashed hair for days at a time. I am going in no specific special order. Let's go ahead and get into a skincare item. This is the Saturday Skin Eye Cream. What gravitated me toward this is that the size of this. I feel like it's really hard to find an eye cream that is actually sold in 1 ounce size. I feel like usually it's half an ounce, and the prices are usually insane. This is $46 for 1 ounce, or it's $25 for half an ounce. And it's a brightening eye cream. It's supposed to hydrate, reduce fine lines, is a clean product at Sephora, which is great. For me, I really enjoyed the texture of this. I enjoyed the hydration of this. As someone who has sensitive eyes, this didn't give my eyes any kind of weird allergic reaction or allergies. It took me about a year to use this. I will say there were no visible results with this. It might have hydrated my under eye, add some moisture, but other than that, I didn't see any kind of reduction in any fine lines or any kind of brightening like that. I won't be purchasing this again. I like the packaging, super cute. If you're someone that doesn't have fine lines or dark circles and you just need something that, gives your under eyes a little bit of moisture, I would possibly try this out. But for me, it's just not something I will be purchasing again. This next product is a moisturizer. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. I actually got this for free. You know how Ulta does, if you spend X amount of money, they give you a bundle of a bunch of products. It's amazing. So I got this for free, but this retails for $25. What I thought was really cool about this product was the packaging. So it was one of these where you squeeze. Oh, there's still some in there. Barely though. It's old at this point. You squeeze the product out and it comes out of there. It actually lasted me quite a while. This moisturizer was really thick, really hydrating, and the scent was just a very light, natural scent. Now for me, whenever I use this product, I wouldn't go in with a serum beforehand just because I felt like this had like a medicinal quality about it, which I love skincare that has medicinal qualities about it. This is meant to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Well, I don't really think it did that for me. I enjoyed it while I used it, but at the moment, I'm really not itching to try it again. Possibly in the future I might, just because the combination of it all was really unique. But I do have so many other moisturizers that I need to get through. But what I will say is if you have extremely dry skin, this might be something that you would look into. Another skincare product, can you tell? I have like this little set of skincare products that I used for about a year and then I ran out of them all at the same time. This is Derma Doctor's Cockatoo C Vitamin Serum. I like quite a bit of the products from Cockatoo C that I've tried. I've tried this, I have their cleanser. What I like about it, they don't add any fragrance. So if you're really sensitive to fragrance, no big deal. One of the cons about this is it's freaking expensive. If you want 1 ounce of this, it's $98, which is absolutely insane. My mom though, she sends me all the time when Costco is having a sale on these. You wouldn't believe the price you can get for these at Costco. If you purchase 2 half ounces at Costco when they have this, $28. It is absolutely insane. And that's the only time I've ever purchased this. My mom has gifted me a couple of these. This is the second one I've gone through. What I really like about this is I'll apply this in the morning and just a few drops, and it hydrates your skin, it protects it, gives it a barrier. I would definitely buy this again at Costco's price. I don't think I'd ever spend $100 on it, but it's a nice oil-based serum if you have dry skin to implement into your routine. Basically helps firm your skin, and any of this, like this discoloration or pigmentation, it really helps to take care of that as well. You're probably like, oh, you like everything. I do well, let's just keep going. This is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. Raise your hand if you go through cleanser like nobody's business. Yep. I double cleanse every single night. Because of that, I go through a lot of cleanser, but it's really fun because I'm able to try out a lot of different cleansers and to see what works, what doesn't, what I buy again. So this is the Ultra Facial Cleanser by Kiehl's. Let me tell you something, for the price of this, I believe it's like, what, $20 for 5 ounces. It is so hydrating. It's a gel-like consistency, really thick, but if you have dry skin, this is going to remove your makeup without taking away your moisture, which is huge. And for the price, like I said, $20, it's insane. They do have so many different other options. They have one of these if you have even like more sensitive skin. I used to never double cleanse, and now I double cleanse all the time. So with double cleansing, I mean, it pretty much is self-explanatory. I go in with 1 layer, I get everything off, and then I go in with a 2nd layer and I really get everything off. And then I follow up with a toner, which really takes care of any leftover makeup that you may have. I'm telling you, there's always something left over. The next product is one that I really want to repurchase, and this is the Belle Pue Nourishing Exfoliant. It's simple and it's clean. This has Himalayan rich salt in it, which is what removes your dead skin and then promotes cell reproduction or production. Is it reproduction or production? With this, I recommend going in with really light circular motions because the salt is very coarse. You don't want to cause any kind of weird scratches on your skin, but I've learned to just use a really light hand. It exfoliates everything out. It has charcoal in it, which really helps to take out any kind of dirt that might be left behind. And then the jojoba oil, I'm telling you, it hydrates and it's insane. I never experienced anything like it. It's expensive. It's $65, but for this, it lasted me a good 6 months and I need to purchase another one. Hair product. So this is the Lage Silk Venom Keratin Treatment Mask. I did a video a couple months ago on a Lage haul. Is that even how you say it? I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Several other products I've not been impressed with. This one I would actually repurchase. Granted, I don't think I'll actually go on their site and go out of my way to repurchase it. If you're looking to do a Lage haul and this is something that you're wanting to do, yeah, buddy.
Go like right out park.
Okay, I'll be there in just a sec. I think this is about $20. Hey. My little munchkin boy. This is about $20 if you're to buy it alone, but they do have sales all the time, so I think I paid about $10 for this. It coated my hair beautifully, and my hair never felt so soft. But other than that, like their shampoo, conditioner, not that crazy about. There's a couple other products that I like from them. Okay, bye.
Bye. I want to give you a kiss and hug.
Okay. I love you, buddy.
I love you.
Okay, I'll hurry up, and then we can go on a bike ride.
Yeah.
Okay.
On park.
Okay.
Powder bike has longer.
Wrapping up here, we're almost done. The LA-licious Sugar Coconut Scrub. I have a weird addiction to coconut things. If it says coconut, 99.99999% of the time I'm going to buy it, which is exactly what happened with this. My sister-in-law, she had recommended me try this body scrub. She had never experienced anything like it, so I purchased it. I'm telling you, it was an experience. I rationed this for like 3 months. It has the most, it's not a hard, really scrub your body scrub. It's more of like the sugar scrub. It's just very fine and it exfoliates. I really like a hard scrub on my body. I don't know what it is, especially with in between tanning. I feel like I need that hard scrub. So I was impressed with this. I love the scent. I love the experience. I just don't know when I'll be buying another one. These are, I think this is about what, $39 to buy? $36. So these make great presents too. I know my sister-in-law just buys these for presents for everybody and it's a great gift. I did buy the lotion as well. Oh my gosh, the lotion is amazing. I'm obsessed, and I have the body oil as well that I use in the shower. These are products, I think I'll always have this lotion forever and ever and ever. I just love the scent. All right, we are getting to the bottom here. Now we're to makeup products. This is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Broad Spectrum SPF Foundation. I actually use this in the video that I did just recently, this video. I've completely used this up. I'm obsessed with it. It's one of my favorite lightweight matte foundations. As a person that has dry skin, I have to be picky with the matte foundation that I use. This one, it's not only drugstore, so it's a pretty reasonable price, like $12. I love that it has SPF 50, so for the summer it's great. This applies beautifully with a sponge or a brush. I personally really like to use it with a brush, just because you get that. It's so fast, so easy to apply. It's insane. My shade is Soft Tan, which is $2.28. I've been really impressed with it. Now, I do feel like this is a straight dupe for the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. If you had oily skin, I don't know if you'd be crazy about this. I really do feel like it would start breaking up in your T-zone. Maybe if you use like a mattifying primer on your T-zone, that might work for you, but this is a great one. I will definitely be repurchasing again, which is saying a lot because I feel like I'm always trying to go through foundations and trying to find, you know, I like to test them out for you guys. The last empty I have is the L'Oreal Double Extend Mascara. As a person that has had sensitive eyes, who's just really picky with mascara, this one has blown me out of the water. This is the second one I've gone through. So this is a tube-like mascara, so it doesn't transfer like other mascaras can. Apply the primer first, and then you apply the pigment. The only con is when you're taking this off at the end of the day, it's coming out in those tubes. I really like it because it's so easy to make sure I got them all off. There's no like smoky, cloudy lines at the end of the night. It's just this great option. It does lengthen. It volumizes. I just think this is such a great option for 10 bucks. All right, guys, I hope you found that informative and helpful. Down below in the comments, please let me know what's an empty that you keep buying over and over again. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.